everyone, it's Miss Corbett. I'm here today to help you get onto the online version of Codex. There was a little issue with the web address that we were using, so I just want to show you how to get in on the right address and how to save that link so that it's much easier to get in each time. So we're going to be sending you an email with this information. This is the actual address that you should be going to. Again, in order to log in, it's going to be your DOE username that New York City Schools gave you. You do not need the @schools or @studentnyc.gov, and your password is all lowercase letters and it's MS158Q. And once you click on this link, it's going to bring you to this web. So once you get to the web page, there's a real easy way to bookmark this link so that this way it's a lot easier to get back to. It's not like you're going to bookmark it the traditional way, so let me show you how to do that. So as you'll notice on the home page, you'll see that. So you see this bookmark page tab here. So what you're going to do very easily is you're just going to drag it to your desktop so that this way you now have the link there. This link will show you the original address that you received at the beginning of this video. It's not the same address that appears here, and that's why students and teachers were having a hard time getting in. So make sure that you bookmark this page, but put it on your desktop. Once you bookmark your page, you'll see that it brings you to the right area, and you'll be able to use your username, and the password, like I said before, is MS158Q lowercase. And then you'll be able to get in and follow the other video. Have a great day, everybody. I hope this is helpful.